this video, I'm going to talk about the GCSE O level 2023 foundation paper one. Okay. First question. Okay. Let's read the first question. Write down the mathematical name of the solid. So we are given some names in the box. So we need to choose one name which is relevant to this solid. Okay, this has a square base and four triangles. So that is pyramid. So I'm gonna choose the pyramid from the box, and I'm gonna write this in this space. Okay, so I'm gonna pyramid. I'm gonna write pyramid. Pyramid. This should be R pyramid. Okay. Next one is let's read it. Write down the mathematical name of this polygon. So let's count how many sides it has. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is pentagon. So I'm going to write in this space pentagon. Pentagon. Okay. Okay. Let's move to next question. Next one is on the grade below, sketch the quadrilateral with these properties. Okay, so quadrilaterals means we need to have this four sides and all angles are equal. So when I read this, it come to my mind. It could be uh, either square or the rectangle. And when you go to the next one, the diagonals are not at right angles to each other. So that means it should be a rectangle. Okay, so I'm gonna use any. You can use any point. I'm gonna use point here and go right. Four squares to the right and two square to the down, and four square to left and two square up. So you need to remember. You need to use a ruler, so I can't use my ruler here, so it may not straight line, but you need to be straight line. Okay, so join this four four so yeah, here it should be anyhow. It should be a rectangle. So I will just take the eraser. Just take my eraser. This contour. Yeah, eraser. Then okay, I'm gonna draw this again. So let me draw it again. So you can use any 4 points. One, any scales you can use. You need to know that two sides should be uh, opposite side should be equal length. So I'm going to use four scales to right here and two scales down, four scales left again, two scales down. So should be you can use your ruler. I'm not using ruler here, though that's why it's wonky, but should be a straight line and nice rectangle. Okay, now I'm going to move to next question. Okay, read the question. Question number 2A. Round 3,648 to the nearest hundreds. Okay, so here, as you can see, first one is a unit, tens, hundred. So I'm going to divide this number into two like this. Two parts. So this is going to be my decider. Okay, this number is going to be decider 4. So if, as you know, if our decider is a 4 or more, we will add one to the previous number. If it is a 4 or less, we don't add anything. We just keep it as it is. Okay. So this my decider is a 4 is less than 4. Uh, 4 or less, we don't add anything. So I'm going to write the number is 3,600. Okay. Next one, round the 3 pounds, 3.2875 to the nearest penny. Okay. This is pound, this is penny. So nearest penny. So I'm going to divide this number into two parts. after first penny here, 2, then the decider is going to be 8. So 8 mean more than 5, so I'm going to add 1 to the previous number. So answer is 3.3. So already we are given the pound symbol already there, so we don't want to write that again. Okay, next one is read the question. Question number 3. What fraction of this shape is shaded? So I'm going to count how many squares altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3 squares has been shaded. 3 squares has been shaded. So the answer is 3 out of 5. Okay, 3/5. The next one is the diagram below is made up of 100 small squares. So if you count these all squares, you will get 100. So shade 3% of the diagram. So thus, if I write this 3% as a fraction, it will be 3 out of 100. So that's mean out of this 100, I just want to color only 3 squares. Only 3 squares. You can color this nicely. Only 3 squares. Okay. Yes. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 4. Write down the 3 factors of 25. What are the 3 factors of 25? So one is 1. The second one is 5. And the third one is 25. Write down the square numbers between 40 and 70. What does the square number mean? Square number mean if any number times by itself, we will get the square number. Like after 40, we will get the 49. 49. That's mean 7 times 7 and 64. That's mean 8 times 8. Okay. Okay, let's move to next question. Find the number that is halfway between 4.2 and 6. Okay, we have different method to find this out. I'm going to show you one method which is easy. I'm going to add 4.2 and 6 together, then you will get 10.2. Then 10.2 here, and then you are going to divide this by 2. Then you will end up with the answer is 5.1. So answer is 5.1. Okay, so we will move to the question number 6. Okay, so 4 lines meet at a point. Okay, work out the size of angle A. As you know, uh, the angle around point add up to 360. So I can write this all like here. I can write this uh, 39. If I add 39 plus 90, how did I get 90? As you can see, this symbol is 90, okay? So 90 and 125. Add A, okay? Angle around the point add up to 360. So you will get total is 360 centigrade. Um, okay. So if we add 125, add 90 is 215. Okay. If you can't add straight away, so you can write 250 add 39. So you get 4, 1 here, so 4 and 5, and then 254. So then you can write 254 add A, okay, add A equal 360. A equal, if you take away 250 from both sides, you will get 360. Take away 254. Okay, what's the answer? This is 0. This means if you get 1 from the 6, then it's 10. 10 take away 4 is 6. Then 5. 5 take away 5 is 0. This is 1. is 106. So A is 106. Now I'm gonna do the next one. Okay. Read the question. Painter mixes red paint and yellow paint in the ratio 2 to 3. They make a total of 1.5 liter of paints. Work out how much red paint they use. Give your answer in milliliters. Okay. As you can see, this is a liters. Remember, this is a liters. So I'm going to find out the red and I'm going to find out red uh, to yellow. Red to yellow is 2 to 3. That means all together I will get 5. Okay. How many paints they use? 1.5 liters. So I'm going to convert into milliliters. 1.5 means 1500 milliliters. So now I'm going to divide this. This 1500 means 5. Okay. Altogether 5. So this 5 mean 1500. So I'm going to find out the one unit. How many milliliters will represent by the one ratio. Then divide by 5 and this side divide by 5. So 1 will represent by the 1 represent is 300 milliliters. Now they ask us to work out how much red paint. Okay, how many red in ratio, how many reds are there? 2. So I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna do 1 is 300 and then 2 is 300 times 2. You will get 600 milliliters. So my answer is 600 milliliters. Okay. So far so good. So we are gonna move next one. Okay. Let's do this one. Question number 8. The diagram shows a cuboid with the dimensions 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and x centimeter. The volume of the cuboid is 240 centimeter cubed, centimeter cube. So find the value of x. What I'm going to do, I know the volume of cuboid is length, width, and height. Okay, we did times. So that's mean 12 times 5 times x equal, I can write the equation because I know the answer is 240. Then I'm going to simplify this. 12 times 5 is 60x equal 240. So I'm going to divide by 60 both sides. Okay, so that's mean x equal 240 divided by 60. 4. That's mean 4. Okay, now question number 9. Heidai and Yoshi complete the same car race. Heidi completes the race in 6 hours. Heidi's average speed was 50 miles per hour. Yoshi's average speed was 48 miles per hour. Calculate how long it took Yoshi's to complete the race. Give your answer in hours and minutes. Okay. Now they ask us to find the Yoshi's how long it took Yoshi's to complete. So I'm gonna find out Haiti. Okay. She complete race in 6 hours. Her average speed is 50 per mile. So 50 miles per hour. So for 1 hour, she just ride 50. So she go 6 hours. So how long it is? How long the miles I can find total miles 0 and 300 miles. Then Yoshi's average speed is 48. So now I need to find out the how long it will take to finish Yoshi's. Yoshi will take how long Yoshi will take to finish the race. So I know it's 48 times up. Let's take t. Okay, t time is the same distance 300. So then I'm going to divide for t divide by 48 is t equal. Then you need to divide 300 divide by 48. So let's have a look. If we take 6, okay, 6 times 5, 0. How many 6 into 48? It's 8. Okay, 8. Then I'm going to divide 50 divide by 8. Sorry. How many is again 6? That's 48. Then you will get 20. 20 divided by 8 is 2. 2 is 16. Then 40. 40 divided by 8 is 5. This is okay. This is hours. This is hours. Okay. This is hours. 6.25. Then I need to convert this into hours and minutes. 6 hours and 0.5 times 0.25 times 60. Why? This is minutes. 0.25 hours. That's I need to convert into minutes. So I'm going to times by 60. If you times by 60, then 6 hours. Okay, 6 hours and 0.25 times by 60. 0. 25 times by 60. 25 times by 4. 4 is 100. 6 is 150. So then I'm going to write 150. Okay, 150. Then I know two decimals are there. Then 15 minutes. The answer is 6 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, let's move to next one. Okay, question number 10. Alex and Emma used this recipe to make scones. The recipe shows the ingredients needed to make 16 scones. Ingredient to make 16 scones. You can see flour, sugar, butter, sultans, and milk and eggs. Okay. Alex makes 24 scones. He used tablespoon to measure the amount of milk he needs. The size of the tablespoon is 15 milliliter. How many tablespoons of milk should Alex use for 24 scones? So first I need to find out how many milk. This is for the 16. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna write here. For 16, she wants milk 70. For the 20, then I'm going to find out. Uh, I can see 16 and 24 is a 4 or is a 4 times table. So I'm going to find out for the 4 how many I need. Divide by 4. Divide by 4 is 1, 3, 30, 8, 28. This is a 28. Then you will get 20. That's mean 5. So for the 4, I did 18.5. So now I need to 24. How many 4s into 24 is 6. So I'm going to times by 6. Okay, times by 6. Then I get 24. I'm going to times by 6. Then 6 times 5 is 30, 0. I got 3 left. 6 times 8 is 48. And 51. 5 left. 6 times 1 is 6 is 11. Okay, so now how many decimals are there? Here. For the 24, I need 111 milliliters. So then I know for the one spoon, it will contain 15 milliliters. So I'm going to divide by 15. Divide by 15. Okay, so you can divide by 15. 15. How many 15s in there? 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, then 105. That means 7. Okay, 7 scoop and some. So that means 105. Then you will remain 6 milliliters. Okay, 6 milliliters. So how many tablespoons he will use? So that's mean 7, and so 6 milliliters for that one. He need to have 7 and half